How you doing? This is my pop-on veneer story. As you can see, I got some serious issues going on here. Yeah, I'm fully employed. Yeah, my company has good insurance. Yeah, I have dental, but it's such a ripoff as much as they want to charge you that even if you have insurance, it's still gonna cost you an arm and a leg. And I did not have, honestly, this is what I was running around with. The best I could do was some little white pellets that you could form a tooth, throw it in your mouth. See, I was covered here, but not here, not here. And I didn't have $40,000 to do an implant. So I wish I had done this years ago, but I stumbled upon the Pop-On Veneer team and they kind of gave me my groove back. Now, I'll be honest, I still had confidence because that's just how much personality I got, but look at me now. Just pop them in. It's the bottom. Here go the top. See how they form fit? These are custom made. You just make your molds real easy. You send them in. A week or two, you get them back. If they're not, if they jacked up, then you get to, they'll let you do a redo. Not 100 redos, but you get a redo. But see, and I'll be honest with you, this is just a temporary fix until I figure out my permanent solution. But until then, they got me feeling like $1,000,000. You know what I'm saying? Like, these are great. I just really still got to get used to talking in them because I feel like I lisp a little bit. But besides that, my video's going to be cracking now because nobody can say, oh, he be $1,000,000, you know, producer if it wasn't for them teeth. You know, he got to stay behind the scenes. But right now, I'm in front. I'm shining. Thanks to you, Pop-On Veneers. You keeping the boy in the game. I appreciate you. It's the best decision I ever made. That's why I'm here, because I will not endorse anything I don't truly believe in. And yo, you got a client for as long as I need you guys. You will be, and I will be turning other people on to you because I know other people that have been hesitant because they didn't get a real life example of what you guys do. But once I show them this, and I know it's beautiful, y'all gonna give them 20% off and give me a little kickback, but it ain't about the money. It's about changing people's lives and give them a chance to feel whole again and not laugh with their hand in front of their face and all of that. They can walk out in the world with confidence and they can shine. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers. You changing people's lives every single day, and I appreciate you. I'm out. Peace.